man's most human characteristic is not his ability to learn, which he shares with many other species, but his ability to teach and store what others have developed and taught him. In almost any society, I think, the quality of the nonconformists is likely to be just as good as and no better than that of the conformists. The negative cautions of science are never popular. The way in which each human infant is transformed into the finished adult, into the complicated individual version of his city and his century, is one of the most fascinating studies open to the curious-minded. Pigs and cows and chickens and people are all competing for grain. I think rigid heterosexuality is a perversion of nature. In this country, some people start being miserable about growing old while they are still young. The ability to learn is older, as it is also more widespread than is the ability to teach. We grow up never questioning that which is unquestioned around us. Many societies have educated their male children on the simple device of teaching them not to be women. You are totally unique, just like everyone else. Of all the peoples whom I have studied, from city dwellers to cliff dwellers, I always find that at least 50% would prefer to have at least one jungle between themselves and their mothers-in-law.